Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, in the artificial filtering shunts or setons, first we have AHMED valve. Okay, so what is this AHMED valve? How does it look? This is the picture or image of the AHMED valve. So this is an artificial seton or filtering shunt or setons which are used instead if the conventional methods are failed. So this is an artificial shunt which will drain the aqueous fluid to outside. This is AHMED valve.
Thank you and thank you for watching.